Hey everyone, how is it going? Welcome to Bistégs TV, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes that are quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Today, we're cooking one of the Philippines' most beloved dishes, shrimp sinigang. Tangy, savory, and loaded with fresh ingredients, this recipe will warm your heart and satisfy your taste buds. And the best part? It only takes a few simple steps to create this Filipino classic. So stick around because you don't want to miss this. Here are the ingredients: fresh cleaned shrimp, onions, tomatoes, okra, string beans, radish, chili, sinigang mix, shrimp cube, fish sauce, and fresh spinach. Got everything? All right, let's get cooking. First, we're going to start by adding some water. Now let's add our sliced onions and tomatoes straight into the pot. Cover that up and let it boil for a few minutes. Now that our broth is looking beautiful, it's time to add the shrimp. Shrimp cooks really quickly, so make sure to add it just as your broth is starting to develop its rich flavors. Next, let's add our okra, string beans, and sliced radish. These vegetables bring texture, color, and of course an added depth of flavor to our dish. The okra adds a subtle creaminess to the broth as it cooks, the string beans give a nice crunch, and the radish has this mild sweetness that balances the tangy sinigang. Now it's time to pack in the flavor. We'll add some chili for a little heat. It's optional, but I highly recommend it if you like a bit of spice. Then add a dash of fish sauce, which is perfect for that umami kick. Next, the sinigang mix. This is what gives the soup its signature sour taste, so don't skip it. And finally, a shrimp cube to enhance that seafood flavor. Give everything a good stir to make sure all those flavors blend beautifully together. Then cover the pot and let it cook for a few more minutes. You'll notice how the vegetables soften and the shrimp turns that gorgeous orange color. The aroma is absolutely divine. Now for the final touch, our fresh spinach. Spinach adds not only a splash of vibrant green color, but also extra nutrients like iron and fiber to make our sinigang both healthy and delicious. Gently toss in the spinach leaves into the pot. Spinach wilts very quickly, so you'll want to just stir it in lightly. It's important not to overcook it. We want the spinach to retain a bit of its texture while still soaking up all those wonderful flavors from the broth. Let it simmer for about 2 more minutes, just enough for the spinach to soften and become one with the rest of our ingredients. As the leaves wilt and mix into the soup, they help balance the tanginess of the broth, adding a subtle earthy note that completes the dish. And with that, our shrimp sinigang is done. And that's it. Our delicious tangy shrimp sinigang is ready to serve. Quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, share, and of course subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering dishes coming your way. Thank you and happy cooking. Cheers.